Hi everyone, this is Heather Lautanen from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 270. And could you please do me a favor and leave a comment if you are currently feeling overwhelmed or if you have ever felt overwhelmed. I am spending this week in Deep Creek, Maryland in a beautiful lake house all by myself. Solitude is wonderful. No children, no grandparents, no noisy chickens. Just me and my computers and my thoughts. So I'm here trying to get some work planning done for the Flourish Academy. I brought my big iMac, I brought my laptop, I brought my microphone. I'm going to record screencasts. I'm going to work on putting some more programs online, and I'm super, super excited to be here. Hi Charlie, hi, I wish you were here. I would recommend that if possible, you try to find some time to get away by yourself. Now, you might not have the ability to do a week somewhere. I'm not going to be here the entire week, actually just 4 days. But maybe you could get away for a day or maybe overnight because you're probably overwhelmed with, I don't know, maybe you are trying to start a photography business, or maybe you also have children or family or responsibilities or even a job that you have to go to every day. And it can just get really overwhelming. It can feel like there's so much to do and there's not enough time in the day. Well, number one, you have to reframe your thinking around time. You know how I always say, I own time. I will make it happen. And there are a million reasons why I could have canceled this trip or never even planned it in the first place because I have a million things to do. But because I own time and my perspective is one of growth and abundance, I find the time, I make the time. So you'll be seeing several live videos from me here this week, including the weekly Q&A. I will post that in the group later so you can put your questions there. Hopefully I can answer them. I'll also be talking more about our upcoming mastermind. Lots of fun, exciting things happening. But if you have an idea that you could share with everyone else about how you might be able to get away or create some solitude, some space in your life, could you please comment, post, share below, and let everyone know what you're thinking. Mara had a blog post a couple of weeks ago. I will put the link below where she talked about her think and grow, planning, think day, something along those lines, where she actually uses prompts in order to get her moving when she is by herself in solitude. She goes away to Cook's Forest, which is this really cute area near us. I'm here in Deep Creek, Maryland, which for those of you from Pennsylvania, you just head south through West Virginia on into Maryland. And this, do you want to see it? Let me flip the camera around so you can see my current view. Oh my gosh, is that amazing? That is right outside of the window. How lucky am I? I don't own a lake house, but my friend Leanne does. So maybe you know someone that has somewhere you could go, or maybe, again, you can just get away for the day. But I know, Charlie, it's so beautiful here. Just try to carve out some time to think. I actually have thinking written into my schedule. Oh, it's over there. I brought my happy planner with me. And in my happy planner, there are certain times of the week, usually it's on Wednesday, at certain times, I will literally block off time that says think. Like you just need to eliminate all of the distractions and think. And that's what I'm doing here. Well, partially. I have set some goals for this week for things I'd like to get accomplished. And the good news is I can work I'm thinking I'm going to set my alarm for 5 a.m. tomorrow and get up and work through probably 9 p.m. when I go to bed. I love to work. I love it. I love what I do. It is so invigorating to me. It just feeds my soul. I love being here. I love being alone. I love solitude. Now, don't mishear me, because I love people and I love relationships, and I'm certainly going to miss my family. Of course I am, for the most part. But I'm going to get a lot of work done. I'm probably going to do another live video here shortly, so stay tuned, and I'll see you then.